I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the foundation because stability dictates the whole build. Grab your 12x12 cm base and fix the tube upright at center. Use hot glue and reinforcements. Once set, make sure the tube axis is plumb by measuring from two opposite edges. Cut an access slot near the base for lighting wiring. You did not waste time. This early precision prevents leaning and wobble later, so verify alignment before paint or exterior details. Now you shape and dress the tower. Wrap the tube with cardstock to get a smooth surface and lightly sand seams for even paint adhesion. Once done, measure and tape horizontal bands. Masking tape yields crisp red/white stripes. Paint 2 coats, letting each dry. Make the gallery by gluing a circular platform and short toothpick spindles. Reinforce under the platform to carry the lantern weight. Make sure to trim any excess, and let structural glue cure fully before moving on. Finish by installing the light. Position a 3V LED module in the lantern cup and route wires through the slot you cut earlier. Secure battery under the base with Velcro for access. Once connected, test the beam and if using a rotating effect, attach a small motor to the lantern floor. Seal the lantern with clear plastic to mimic glass and weatherproof seams. Troubleshooting tip: if light flickers or motor stalls, check connections, battery contacts, and balance of the rotating platform. Rebalance or resolder as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.